Good morning, student. Welcome to today's online lecture. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Anil Kishan Chauhan from Mumbai, Dharavi Ranges Camp, Municipal English School, number 1, Jinoth Ward. I am going to take English subject. Before starting the session, can you tell me, student, which festival do you like?
Diwali.
Okay.
Sir, can I tell?
Holi. Diwali. Holi.
Sir, I like festival.
Makar Sankranti.
Sir, I like Holi.
Okay, very good. Anyone? Hello.
Yes. Diwali, Holi, Makar Sankranti, then
Okay, very good.
Ganpati.
Okay.
Ganpati.
Ganpati festival.
That was love all festivals.
Okay, you love all festival. Very good answer. Now, in India is a very diversity culture. There are so many religions people live in India, and there are so many festivals celebrate in India, big and small festival. So, student, can you tell me what do you do on festival?
In Diwali, we fire crackers, then diya. Then we eat like chiula, chakli,
Okay,
and in Makar Sankranti
very good.
we in Bhogi we
Sir,
eat shengsola and bhakri, bajra bhakri, and tilgul घ्या गोड गोड बोला ऐसे.
Okay, very good answers. Anyone?
sir, I also like Diwali.
And in
Also,
Holi we
Sir, that I like, but I like not Diwali, but chaklis.
exactly. Okay, very good. Now, very good answer. Before festival, we are purchase so many things, right?
Yes, sir.
Before festival. Hello.
yes,
Hello.
and all
Okay.
festivals.
Before festival, we are purchase. Okay. All festival we are celebrate, right? So before festival, we are purchase so many things. Which things we have purchase?
Sir, we decorate.
Dress,
Dress,
decoration.
decoration things.
In
Very good.
Diwali, fire
Sir,
crackers,
in Diwali,
cracker.
uh, in our buildings, we draw rangolis,
Rangoli is very good.
decorates the full house, and make
Very
deep
good.
for us.
Okay. Now, there are so many things we have purchased like clothes, okay, new cars, metals, right? Okay,
Yes,
decorated things. We clean your house before a festival, okay, and that day we wear the new clothes and celebrate the festival with your family, right? So, student, tell me, do you all enjoy Diwali festival?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, very
yes.
good. What is it specialty?
Uh,
In Diwali,
Yes.
uh, that we eat that like a chakli chivda.
Okay, and
We fire the crackers.
fire the crackers. Anyone give the answers?
Sir, can you give me 1 minute?
Yeah. Andar, anyone wanted to give the answer these questions? What is the specialty of Diwali festival?
Hmm, what is specialty of Diwali festival?
Yes.
Sir, uh, can I say that?
Just celebrated by Hindus, Jains.
Sir,
Yeah.
religious Diwali is celebrated by Hindus, Jains, Sikhs, never Buddhist. Although for each faith it marks different historical events and stories, but
Not
nonetheless the festival represents the same symbolic victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and good over evil.
Okay.
even
Very good. Because Diwali is a celebrated. All the regions people celebrate Diwali festival. Okay.
Because
In
in
all the
that time, I like Durga Mata had killed evil Ravan.
yes,
Uh, Durga Mata had killed Ravan because of that. Diwali is celebrated.
okay.
okay.
Okay. Very good. Now next. So today we are going to learn lesson number 33, Rangoli. Before start the lesson, uh, we will read the lesson. Who is read first?
Sir,
Can
can
I?
I?
Yes, anyone. Okay.
Rangoli
Yes.
is one of the most beautiful and most pleasant art forms of India. The word Rangoli or Rangavali consists of two words, Rang meaning color and Avli meaning row or vine. Rangoli is the art of making designs or patterns on the floors or the floor
Sir, it is on the walls.
using
Walls is also written.
white powder and different colors in many households. Rangoli designs are drawn in the yard or in front of the doorstep every day.
Okay. Very good. Anyone read again?
Sir, can I read?
Yeah.
Rangoli is one of the most beautiful and most pleasing art from India. The word Rangoli as Rangoli consists of two words, Rang meaning color and Avali meaning a row or vine. Rangoli is the art of making design or pattern on the walls or the floors of the house using finely ground white powder and different colors. In many households, Rangoli designs are drawn in courtyard or in front of doorstep every day.
Okay. Very good. Now, Rangoli is one of the most beautiful and most pleasing art form of the India. In India, is a very diversity of different types of arts form like Rangoli. Okay. Then different types of songs also. Rangoli is one of the arts. Okay. Uh, and the word Rangoli or Rangavali consists of two words. Okay. The Rangavali words is a make two words like Rang. One word is a Rang and second word is a Avali. Rang meanings colors. Rang means colors and Avali meanings is raw or white. Means
मेरा point.
like that. Okay. Rangoli is the art or the flower of the house. You okay. That Rangoli is very in front of the houses. When we celebrate before festival. Okay. So all the girls making design front of the house of Rangoli. some pattern on the wall or the flowers of the houses using finally ground white powder. Okay, rangoli means ground white powder we use making rangoli and different colors also, red, blue, okay, purple, pink, etc. In the many household persons, okay, rangoli design or draw in the courtyard or in the
Who
front.
draw Rangoli na? They draw from their phones. When the passwords come na, the password of dot dot dots, we have to draw that. Now some my phone password is L. So
Yeah.
they that
Rangoli. Dots
so
Rangoli.
Okay.
that likes
Dots
Rangoli are made.
Dots.
Okay, very good. Rangoli design are draw in the country or on in the front of the doorstep every day. Okay, when we make a design of Rangoli, the open place of the house, front of the house, yeah,
Sir, in
front
India
of the
only
doorstep every day.
Rangoli.
Yes.
Uh,
Now, but India, in India, the traditional arts form is a Rangoli. But other countries, the Indian people live in other countries right now. So other countries people also know about Rangoli because the Indian people celebrate so many festival in other country. Uh, they are live that country. Okay. Now next, who is read this Chandra?
Can I?
Oh yes.
The most interesting feature of Rangoli is that raised every day, just as you cleanness and yourself every day. You clean your house and decorate it with a rangoli every day. One special occasion, you wear special clothes and ornaments. In the same way, special magnificent designs are made on the occasions of feast and festival.
Festival. Very good. Anyone read this festival again?
Can I?
Yeah.
Rangoli is that it is drawn fresh every day, just as you cleanse and around yourself every day. You clean your house and decorate it with a rangoli every day. On special occasions, you wear special clothes and ornaments. In the same way, special magnified designs are made on the occasions of feasts and festivals.
Okay. Very good. Now Rangoli is the draw of fresh every day. Okay. Then we have celebrate a festival like Diwali. Okay. Like that, the Rangoli every day design fresh. Okay. Just as you clean and adorn yourself every day. Okay. We clean means we bath every day. Right now,
Yes,
you wear new clothes. Yes. Like that, you clean your house and decorate it.
hello, hello, sir.
Rangoli every day and ornament. When we have birthday party, then hello, yes, we wear the cloth with pastel cloth means new and ornament. In the same way, pastel magnificent design are made on the occasion of feasts and festival. In the same way, we design the rangoli every day. Okay, different types of rangoli we have design. Now next paragraph, the design and pattern. Okay, who is read?
Can I?
Yes.
The
Hello, sir. Are you
traditional
using
form
headphones?
of Rangoli makes use of design.
Hello.
Huh? Yes, sir.
Are you using headphones?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is breaking because of it.
Okay, some network problem is there.
Network problem is there.
Now I'm in school, sir. Now.
But you're using headphones now. That's why it is voice is not coming properly.
Okay, okay. Now, sir. Now here.
Now you are removed now.
No, sir. No.
Headphones you have removed now. Because of headphones, voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is proper.
Hello. Now. Hello.
Ah,
Hello.
sir.
Okay.
Can I read?
Yes.
The traditional form of Rangoli makes use of design and motifs based on nature such as mango, creepers, lotus and other flowers, swans, peacock, fish and other animals and so on. Rangoli designs also include geometrical patterns and shapes. Nowadays, other fancy designs and freehand drawing are also used to make beautiful rangolis. Hello? Hello?
Now make use of design. Yes. Look, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. The traditional form of Rangoli make use of design and modify based on nature. Okay. Before in a medieval century period, okay, the people design and modify the Rangoli based on only natures, such as we make a design of any fruit like that mango, okay, then leaf of the trees, creepers, lotus, and other flowers. Okay, we also draw the pictures of birds, animals like that swan, peacock, fish, and other animals. Then goat, okay, ox, like that. So on. Rangoli design also include geometrical pattern and shape. Okay, so tell me which geometrical pattern and shape design we have seen. Hello,
Hello?
which geometrical pattern use making design of Rangoli?
Yes.
Which
Um Dots design also we can make.
dots and
Flowers.
geometrical pattern? You know mathematical figures. You know
Yes.
square, rectangle, circle.
Yes, yes.
Yes, this design also used for making rangoli. Nowadays, in a modern century, other fancy design and face
भैया
hand drawing are also used to make beautiful rangoli. Like that, now see the pictures. This is a modern pattern of the rangoli. The different different types of rangoli we have made. Next paragraph. How it made paragraph. Hello. Hello.
Birthday अर्धे तास.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes. नंतर पाठवायची.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will share the screen. Okay, now next is how it is made rangoli. Usually rangoli line are made using granite powder such as sand, marble, dust, sawdust, or rice grain powder. It provides curvy line, thickness of maintain the beauty of the design. With lot of practice, and the rangoli can then be left as a beautiful drawing, or you can fill it with bright colored powder. It is customary to prepare a facial background for rangoli with the gero or wheat, red or so that the white design stand out very well. Also, usually a grid or row and column of dots it used to give a proper frame and shape to design. Okay, now rangoli made by sand, okay, granite powder, rice grain, then marble dust also. Provided a good base while making the straight and curvy lines, okay, like that powder, okay, it is important to unbroke line, so of even thickness to maintain a thickness. So some the people, okay, who make rangoli, they are practice, okay, without make practice we can rangoli can then be left a bright color. And some people draw the rangoli is a beautiful and fill the with color, different types of color also uses. It is customary to prepare a special background for rangoli with the geru. In the before modern era, modern period, the people use geru and wheat red or okay to make a colorful rangoli. And before in medieval period, the most of the people use a white colored rangoli. Also usual a grid or row and column of dots. It using to give a proper frame and shape to the design. Okay. Sometime first of all the make a dots and draw and column. Okay. We make a beautiful designs of a rangoli. Now next point is the rangoli and Diwali. Who is read this paragraph? Hello. Can you hear me, student? Hello. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read this paragraph.
Rangoli occupies a special place in the festival of Deepavali or Diwali. Since expression of sorry sir, since the art form is an expression of warm hospitality, it is used almost everyone to decorate the courtyard during the festival. It signifies that the people coming to the house are welcome inside.
Now see the pictures. Very good. Rangoli and Diwali. Okay. Rangoli occupies a special place in the festival of Deepavali or Diwali. Okay, because that time there's so many people draw the rangoli in the front of houses, decorate the your houses. Okay, like that pataka, then lighting. Also, we have uses of decorated things. Since the arts form is an expression of warm hospitality, it is used by the almost everyone to decorate the country during the festival. Everyone people. Then Diwali festival is a beautiful festival. Okay, and this festival, there's so many peoples, the everyone peoples, to draw the rangoli in front of a house. It is a significant that people coming to the house are welcome inside. Okay, some people because we make a design of Diwali. Okay, so many relatives come your house, right? So coming to the house are welcome inside. Okay. Now next, rangoli in different state. There are so many states in India. Okay, there are so many religious people live in India. Okay, the other okay, different different name of the rangoli. So who is read this paragraph? Yes. Hello.
Rangoli is the different states. Rangoli art is known as by different names in different parts of the country. It is known as Chauk Purana in Uttar Pradesh, Mandana in Rajasthan, Muggu in Andheri, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Each region has its special characteristics, designs, and patterns in the northern parts of India. It is customary to make rangoli designs with traditional wet colors.
Hello.
There is Bihar and Uttarachal. It is named Arpanna. Kolam is the name given to the art of rangoli in the southern parts of the Tamil Nadu. Kolam design are made with the help of the rice powders.
Okay, very good. Now, rangoli arts is known by the different name in different parts of a country. Okay, there are so many states in India, right? It is known rangoli is the common words. Okay, but the different state, the different name of the rangoli. It is known as Chowk Puran in Uttar Pradesh, Mandana in Rajasthan, Mugu in Andhra Pradesh, and a rangoli in Gujarat, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. The three states the people call rangoli. Okay, design and pattern. The special art form of a rangoli. Okay, we draw different types of a rangoli each and every state. In the northern part of India, it is a customary to make rangoli design with traditional wheat colors like geru. Okay, in Bengal, rangoli is known as a alpana. Okay, in Bengal, the rangoli known as a alpana, where as is Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, it is a name is a Aripanna. Kolam is the name given to the arts of Rangoli in a southern part of the country, mainly in the state of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Kolam design are made with the help of rice powder because there are the agricultures now rice the lot of produce in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So So design the rangoli design made by rice powder. Okay. Now next, rangoli in a modern days. Now the 21st century is begin. The different types of a rangoli we have made. Okay. Now who is read this passage? Yes, student. Anyone read this passage?
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Rangoli is the modern days Rangoli art has been used for centuries to beautify many Indian, mainly by women. Today, both men and women learn and practice this art, adding their innovative ideas to the traditional designs and motifs at the times of public celebration. Carpets Rangoli are spread over large areas and even long distance. Some people are with leaves and flower to make rangoli, which are beautiful. Well, as pregnant, what will you like to try your hand at this beautiful art from?
Okay. Now rangoli in the modern day. Rangoli arts has been used for centuries to beautify many Indian household. Now in that the many Indian household, the different types of rangoli we have design. Okay, in front of a house. Traditionally, it was used mainly by women. Okay. Now rangoli design made by only women. Today, both men and women. Now in a modern century, the men and women learn and practice these arts, adding their innovative ideas to the traditional design and modified. The innovative ideas like that, see the pictures. Okay, this is not easy to draw this type of rangoli. Okay, there are lot of practice and then make the design. Okay, some people use their innovative ideas. Okay, uh, at that time of public celebrations, for example, Makar Sankranti, Ganesh Festival, then other. The some people draw design the rangoli on the road. Okay, the open place of the ground like that. Carpet of rangoli and spread over the large area and even long distance. Some people use leaves and flowers now in a modern days, some people use to draw the rangoli. Okay, means try your hand at this beautiful. Yes, student. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. Uh, would you like to try your hand at this beautiful art form?
What, sir?
Can you try to draw the rangoli?
Yes, sir, but I had not tried.
Okay, now do it. Okay. Now, next paragraph, next slide. Evaluations. Answer the following questions. Who is read first questions?
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
What does Rangavali means?
Okay. Who give the answer these questions? What does rangoli means?
Sir, can you give me 1 minute for the answer?
Yes. Anyone who is wanted to give the answer these questions?
What does Rangavali means?
Hello.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Hello. Anyone try to give these questions answer?
Rangavali means color.
What does rangoli means? Rangoli means
Color.
okay. Colors very good. Anyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The word Rangoli or Rangavali consists of raw wine. Now, who will read second questions?
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Where is Rangoli usually draw?
Yes.
Sir,
Where
its
is
answer is
Rangoli usually drawn? Hello. Where is Rangoli usually drawn?
hello. Sir, your voice is some breaking sometimes.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, we can hear you.
Yes. So tell me, give the answer of these questions. Where is the Rangoli usually drawn?
Uh, it is drawn at courtyard and households.
Yes. Okay. In very good answer. In many household Rangoli design
Doorstep.
doorstep in every day. Okay. In many household Rangoli design are draw in the country yard or in the front of the doorstep every day. Okay. Now third question. What is used to make Rangoli design?
Colors. Rangoli colors.
Colors. Okay. Anyone? Okay, now next question, fourth number question. What are the common Rangoli design or modify?
Sir,
Yes.
and the traditional
Hello.
yes,
Yes. What are the common Rangoli design or modify?
the um,
Sir, like flowers shape
Okay.
Rangoli design.
Flowers of Rangoli design. Very good. Anyone?
And sir, like Diwali fataka and fataka sursuri, that like Rangoli. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
No, no. Okay. The traditional form. Yes. Most of design
Hello, sir.
is common design. Hello. Yes. Can you hear me, student?
Yes, sir. We can now hear.
Okay. Now, common Rangoli design or modify is such as based on nature's mango, creepers, lotus, and other flowers, swan, peacock, fish, or other animals also, right? Now, next question: what different name is Rangoli known by the different region?
Hello, sir.
What different name is Rangoli known by in different region?
Sir, can I tell answer?
Yes.
Rangoli art is known as different names in different parts of the country. It is known as Uttar Pradesh. Sir, it is known as Chaukapurna.
Yeah.
In Rajasthan, it is named as Mandana. In Andhra Pradesh, it is named as Muggu. And in Gujarat, it is named as it is named as Holi only in Gujarat and Karnataka and Maharashtra.
Rangoli. Okay. Very good. In Bengal,
So in Bengal, sir, in Bengal, Rangoli is known as Alpanna.
and Bihar and Uttarakhand. Uttaranchal.
Uttaranchal, its name as Aripanna.
And
And in Tamil Nadu, it is Kolam.
it's the name of art in the Rangoli.
Sir, in Tamil Nadu, it is named as Kolam.
In Tamil Nadu, Kolam.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. Different name. Ashok Puran in Uttar Pradesh, Mandana in Rajasthan, Mugu in Andhra Pradesh, Rangoli in Karnataka, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Okay. Then Bengal, Rangoli is known as Alpana. Bihar and Uttaranchal, it is a name of Rangoli is Aripana. Kolam in southern part of India, like that Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay. Now this is the homework. Draw any one of the Rangoli design.
Sir,
Yes.
now because of Diwali is over, so we can draw in our books with our pencils.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, you're taking
Draw any one of the Rangoli design. Thank you, student.